Second in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am challenging HBO. It's gonna be a huge challenge for Ricky Hatton because Ricky Hatton is a great fighter also, and I respect his team, especially his coach Floyd Mayweather Sr. and and also my coach Peter Roach. I would like to thanks to all of you, to all your support, and I hope this coming May 2, you're gonna watch the fight. This is a once in a lifetime great fight you ever seen in boxing history. And I would like to thank to HBO pay-per-view and to all the media and press and Top Rank and Golden Ball Promotion and also MP Promotion at sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko. Lahat ng mga mahal ko mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Ang lumaban ng dahil sa inyong lahat. Hanggang sa abot ng aking makakaya ay gagawin ko po para sa inyo. Para saan mang sulok ng mundo, taas loob tayo mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat.